Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to transpose the citation that you might get pre-formatted from a database into the correct APSA format for your assignments. So I know it's really convenient when you go into a database, click on the Cite button, and it gives you a pre-formatted citation that you can copy and paste. This does make your life a little bit easier, but I would caution you, regardless of the citation format that you are using, that in a lot of cases, the citation format is not going to be entirely correct. So right now this is in APA style, and already I can see that the author last name is in all caps. That's not the correct format. It should not be in all caps. So if I went directly with this format, I would already be starting out incorrectly. So if you do choose to start with the pre-formatted citations, I would caution you against just going with the first format that pops up. So alphabetically, that is often APA. Most of our databases are not going to have APSA as an option, but a lot of them do have Chicago, and APSA is based off of the Chicago author date style. So let's take a look here. And it looks like we can do Chicago, both 15th and 16th edition and the author date. So let's go with the 16th edition author date, and I'm going to select change, and this should give me the new citation style. And so I am still seeing this is in all caps, that's incorrect, but now the author first name has gone from just as an initial, as you would have in APA, to the full name, which is what we want for APSA. So I am going to copy and paste this into a Word document, and then I'm going to work on fixing this so that it is correct in APSA format. Okay, so the first thing that I mentioned is that the author should not be in all caps, so let's fix that. All right, now let's take a look at the title of the article, so that is here in quotation marks, that looks correct. And then we have the title of the journal here in italics. Have a volume number, an issue number in parentheses, and the page number, as well as the DOI and the full access to get back to the database. So let's double check our cheat sheet for APSA. So this is available in your course guide. It's the APSA cheat sheet. All right, so we have the APSA journal citation style for one author from a subscription database. So should have last name, first name, date, title of the article in quotation marks, title of the journal in italics, volume number, issue number or date range as it were, colon, page number. So let's double check that. That looks correct. And then you can add in the database that you used. I won't take off points if you don't, as long as you supply the link. Please supply the link to where it came from and the date of access. So now I'm going back here, have the date, the DOI, and I'm going to add in So it's not very complicated to make the pre-formatted citations fit the format that you need, but it is really important that you pay attention to the small details that make one citation style different from another. Your instructor has asked you to use APSA for a reason, so it's important that you do pay attention to those small formatting details. So these videos that are available on the course guide, as well as some of the other documents that are there as well, will help you with those small changes. And if you do choose to use the pre-formatted citations from the databases, be sure to use Chicago style, not APA, not MLA. Start with Chicago, and then make sure that you make the small changes that you need to get it in the correct format. And as always, please let me know if you have any questions.